Robos.
We
Good morning, Tona.
Go himself.
Welcome,
yes,
Yes, sir. All right, so the land is green. They say then go soon fly our green, white, green. Or you could drop us that information.
All right. Aviation Minister Adisirika, against all odds, he still talk say Nigeria air go land tomorrow. He said this one go mark a significant milestone in the process of commencing operation. He said this one a part of the promise when the Buhari-led administration promise say they must fulfill everything when they don't put for ground, say they go promise. The minister, when he be say they reviewed this one on top of they reviewed it yesterday, he say the plane go fly Nigerian color.
That's that green, white, green.
Green, white, green.
Indo, thank you for this song where you drop.
Green, white, green. In fulfillment of all the promises when it be say the administration of Buhari-led government don't promise to fulfill on top of the aviation sector. However, as he come to talk, he said the only thing when it be say they're not just complete at all. The only thing they're not complete, say they don't complete at 60%. But we not hear this one at all. He said the only incomplete item is the Aerotropolis, which is the airport city. And it already 60% complete. According to them, it say the groundwork they don't complete them, and are looking to conclude work on the airport city by the next administration. Airport city. He said they don't complete 60%. Wait. This plane, he not tell us how many plane go land. When you talk about airline, at least how many plane go land and which route he want to fly. He not tell us.
And the time the city gone when the plane go stay, so they never complete time. They say how many planes.
No, but at least he go they land for normal other airports.
Yes, he go they land for other airports. Okay, which offices, which Nigerian air don't get inside the airport space?
Then go get them by Friday now.
And Friday now just how many hours away?
Friday now.
It must be Alice in the Wonderland. Everything go just vanish come.
Waiting they worry you now. Now talk say the guy no bring the airline. You still they say tell Nana say airline go land on Friday. You first start with how many? Yeah. At least make one land now.
But Friday not tomorrow.
Less than 24 hours
now. Make the guy make the plane make a land first. Then before you go come they ask say how many. Then make the plane even land before they ask say which route the plane they want they take, where one they go. Make the plane even land. Then make we then know how they no go get office where people go dead. Relax now.
But plane must get where to occupy first before these offices are
wait, there. This Ochuko, your plan no go work. You want make the guy return money where then do this airline. Now your plan be that. Because the way you take the hammer the stock, like say your mind they go say make him return the money as we never see the airline.
Okay.
Maybe now say the budget when it be say the budget for aviation sector for 2022 alone when na 78.9 billion naira. All this not to justify them.
You know many times so then they do wrong way. All this way the other day way wrong way we tire bond the wrong way. You know see you don't see go to the worry you. So you want make the guy bring out the money back.
So but why we be like this?
How we be again? What be
all this rush? Government they say
not
na continue.
Don't they do them since they come. This aeroplane, you don't know whether na brand new. So then they build them.
Okay.
For these 8 years we then did this thing. Then they build the thing. It go take them time before them build and finish.
Can't do everything now.
To paint plane na small thing.
Especially Nigerian colors.
Yes, to come put Nigerian logo na small thing. How long it take them to do only logo? Only logo. How much they spend for logo? Why are you people like this?
Unveiling of logo.
They can't unveil the logo.
Yeah, they unveil the logo.
So why are you people like this?
On that
UK. This one where the plane don't come. Which country? I must get invite for the unveiling of the plane proper.
Wait, but we they forget to really talk. You know, say he talk now say he dey specific about the color.
Yes.
Green, white, green. Not forget say more than 50% of the shares now Ethiopia Airline
Then
get.
still go ahead with that Ethiopia Airline deal.
Now that one the question for court, but for now it still stand.
Wow.
Our practitioners here, all these aviation people, they really query them. They say that in like see with the
The local airline.
yeah, they query
Local
that.
airline people quarrel.
There
They're
is
not
still
happy.
the court led by
They're not happy.
Airpeace
Airpeace man.
But
Yes,
they
still the
forget
court.
say, this country we dey get pattern they follow. This kind 50-50, we don't do them before with Richard Branson, Virgin Atlantic. Them for 2004, we can't commence Virgin Nigeria, whatever for 2005.
That's Jima Ibrahim now.
And when the Nikon Group that very time,
Yes,
head of Nikon Group,
Yes, no.
all of a sudden 7 years later, it crashed for inside there.
You say 7, you reach 7 years.
2012. But okay, it don't even they die before the 2012.
They tell me. Sheba, I fly them.
Oh wow.
I fly them that year now.
So
I fly
now-
them go London, I think.
Okay, you fly. Okay.
Yeah, I fly them go
Fly them
London
go
that year now. My brother, make we just leave this story. This Ochuko, this plan of
Not be
whether una want make the guy return the money.
Not be small money.
We know.
I say
now.
want to return this guy money.
My
sef.
brother. When
By
was start
fire
from?
by force, the
That
plane
plane
must
must
come. Everybody's there. So I say, but the time no reach again now. You now still go now get less than 4 days. It's on
He say,
Friday.
the plane must
For
land.
Friday go come. Some we just wait. Then we expect the plane may come.
But really,
What it be all the
get
but
wetin-
the modus operandi they
But
don't set for ground?
Now continuous government.
government account. Yeah.
Now
But
continuous
why the
government.
Ore now?
That money
Can you
now.
account? You know the year we think you know what
you go account for the money.
what for you again, man?
What you know? How the
Now, wow.
how you want
Anyway,
making?
There's some kind of things you go say at least we drop this one.
drop this one. At least he drop this one.
And even if
say-
na only one, even
Oh.
if na that small one where them value jet and co and they even if na that small one,
If not the leg of the plane,
my brother, make it shot drop late.
which of the bone himself he dey bring?
we know
Whether na the one of 70s,
We
they bring
know.
for 2023.
tomorrow we go find out now. Tomorrow. All right, congratulobia to Ram.
Hadi Sirika and
Adisirika, congratulobia. So tomorrow you go fall some people hand.
It's already the commission project, right, left, center,
My
the
brother.
commission for
My
everywhere.
brother. I dey come back, Jare Indo, just carry me away small.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.